Hey everyone, Tara here, super excited. Are you hearing those sleigh bells? We have a Christmas preview event going on over at temp-tations.com, and I wanted to give you a little sneak peek. We have brand new items, we have returning favorites, we added a new color to one of your faves. Can we just talk about these gem trees? Can we talk about how beautiful our lit pillars are, where you actually have the champagne, the red, the green, and you know all those characters, don't you? Our reindeer, our snowman, our gingerbread, so adorable. Set of 3, or the jewel trees that we talked about. Sleigh bakers back, the platters back, different colors. You're definitely gonna wanna head over for the full weekend and check out everything that we have going on over there. And don't forget, when you spend $35 or more, you're going to get a free cookbook of mine in the holiday edition.